everyone! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get the perfect messy bun. So this video is probably one of my most requested yet. It's safe to say that you guys love a messy bun, but you want to know how to do them. So I recently did a TikTok video whereby I showed you guys how to blow dry your fringe or bangs, and it blew up. I think it got to, it's now currently on 1.5 million, which is absolutely mental. And I had so many requests for how to do the tutorial for the bun that I did in that video. So you guys requested it, here it is. Click down in the description box, my TikTok link will be there. Click the link and it will take you straight to my account. On there you will see a few other tutorials and videos that I've made for you guys. Really simple steps to get beautiful looking hair. So let's do this. So I'm currently the day before wash day, and I have, safe to say, got absolutely awful hair at the moment. It needs washed, it needs something done to it, but this is perfect texture to get a messy bun. So one thing I will say with this is, if you're doing a messy bun, usually, depending on your hair type and how your hair sits and how comfortable you are with styling it, it's always best to do either second day or third day or the day before wash day. Having a little bit of grease and a little bit of dirt in there is going to allow you guys to really manipulate the hair a lot easier and to be able to style it a lot easier too. So when doing messy bun, your life is just going to go like plain sailing. If you do it on soft hair, it's just going to collapse. It's really hard to work with. You know, I'm honest with you, have greasy hair, it's better for styling. So as you guys are aware, there's a lot of variations of different messy buns out there. The one that we're going to be doing today is this one. Now it's inspired by the actress Zendaya. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with her. She's very popular and very big in the film industry right now. So without further ado, first of all, I need to smooth out this mess of hair, because what I want to do is wave it through just so it's a bit easier to work with. I've got more texture and more fullness. I'm going to go wave my hair now. I do have a video that I previously made as well on how to get the perfect wave, so if you guys aren't familiar or are a bit uncomfortable with waving your own hair, then I definitely recommend you to go and watch that. I will leave the link in my description box, but it is also on my channel videos that you can go and watch too. See you in a minute. And we're done. So, like I said, this is a very quick bun tutorial and it shouldn't take you forever. These do not need to be the neatest waves that you've ever done before, because half of it isn't going to be seen. It's literally just so you guys can have an easy life and be able to do this bun super easily. What you want to go ahead and do is grab a dry texture spray. Now I'm using the Unite Texturizer spray and I'm in love with this. This is probably one of my favourite texturizer sprays I've ever used. It is the perfect amount that comes out. You do not need a lot of it. Some texturizer sprays I find really clog the hair and I can't get a brush through it after, but this is really, really flexible and works on your hair really well. So I definitely would recommend this. So with the texturizer spray, all you want to do is just grab it and spray it through the mid-length and the ends. You can even shake your head upside down and do this if you find it a little bit easier too. But just for the sake of camera angles, you do not want to see my back. It is covered in sunburn right now. You'll probably see that later anyway, because I'm going to show you the back at some point, and you can all have a joke on my expense because it was a very stupid mistake of me lying in the sun without sun cream. What you want to do is grab your hair tie. Now I have a hair tie that is on the thinner side. There is a step up from this that you can get this just thicker, I believe. For my hair, the thin one works really well. Obviously, if you've got a different hair type to mine and you find the thicker band works really well, then definitely use the one that works best for you. So alongside with the hair tie, I'm going to grab my wide tooth comb. Now this works really well for just getting some soft, natural texture in there. It's not too sleek and not too messy. It's just nice to find the balance between the two for this style. Now before I actually put my hair tie in, I have just pulled out a few of my front bits. Just the main bigger bits that I won't pull out later, because if you pull them out later you can risk pulling out bits of hair that you don't actually want, and then you're a bit stuffed because you can't put it back in place. So if you do this before the hair tie goes on, it allows you to just grab anything you want, and if you pull too much out you can always put it back into the ponytail, so it's not a big deal. From the ponytail, all we want to do is get this nice and full. So what we're going to do for that is use some back combing. Now here I have a comb, which you can use for back combing, or you can go in with your wide tooth comb, depending on your hair type. I'd say anyone on the finer side, use the comb just ever so lightly. You don't want too much in there. It's literally just so you can separate your hair, just so you can get it a bit bigger, so it's easier to work with. Now in the picture that we're going off as well, Zendaya's got quite a lot of texture in there, so this just allows to create a little bit more texture for us rather than it being too sleek. Now that I've backcombed my ponytail, what I want to do is ever so slightly just pull out any hair that I'd like a little bit looser, just to create that little bit more texture from the root, just kind of starting to build around the scalp and head area, and just start to frame my face a little bit with how much volume I want, how much texture I want in there, and just to kind of create the style off in the right way. Now I don't want too much, so I've literally just pulled out a little bit around my sides and a little bit round the top and crown of my head. So our next part, what you want to go ahead and do is grab yourself a handful of bobby pins. Now if you aren't familiar with a bobby pin, I'm sure you all are though, they look like this and they're great for creating any shape that you want in your bun. This part, you basically want to create your ponytail into thirds. Now I take my left, my middle and my right, so I take it in segments. And what I do is just kind of, before I put any bobby pins in place, have a play around and see how I actually want the hair to sit. So what I do when I'm happy with my first section is I literally just take the bobby pin and take it and secure it inwards. Just now I've kind of started to create that shape I want my bun. Now I take the next segment and I've left the ends out of the first segment also, so we're going to come back to those in a minute. So with the next segment you do exactly the same, just have a play, see what works, because there's not really any rules, every kind of hair is different as you guys know, so it's whatever works best for your hair, which I love about any of these tips, you can tailor for your hair to suit you best. Now that I've had a play, I'm really liking how this is kind of looking at the moment, so I literally just take my next bobby pin, and again leaving the ends out because we are going to come back to those in a minute, just securing in the base. So as you guys can see, it's starting to feel a bit more messy bunny rather than bird's nesty. So trust me, it is coming along. Now with any remainder hair that you've got at the back, I've still got this one segment here at the back, I'm just going to have a play around with that. So what you guys want to do is just play around with the rest of your hair. See what works, see what position you like, see which way. You can always flip left or right or have it in the centre if you wish. So just have a play around, get to know your hair more and how it's going to sit and look best for you. So now that we've just got our ends, and you can see I've got a few ends at the back also, what we want to do is kind of place them to finish off the look. Now in Zendaya's picture she's got a few ends crisscrossing all over the place to get that messy kind of boho look. So we want to replicate the same, so what you want to do is take your ends and just slightly back comb them, not too much, otherwise it just gets a bit of a mess. And then as we do that, you kind of figure out, just by looking, where you'd like them to sit and how you'd like them to lie. What I like to do, just to finish off now, is take your texturizing spray once again and literally just spray it through the front pieces that you pulled out before we tied it up into a bun. Just so then, throughout the day, if you feel like they've got a bit flat or they've chunked up a bit too much, you can literally just run your fingers through them and just separate them really easily, just to get that wispiness effect back in there and touch it up as you carry on your day. I'm super happy with this look. It's like I said at the start, it's super versatile, so you're either ready for the red carpet or you're ready to go to work. So I am going to show you the back of this style obviously because I'm sure you're all itching to see, but before I do, you can all have a laugh at my expense on this one. I'm going to give you a free pass because it was a very stupid mistake from me. Now it's a very sunny day in England where I am today. It's about 24 degrees. I saw the sun outside and I decided to have my breakfast out there this morning, and I was sat on my lawn eating my porridge, very happy, you know, sun was beaming, vibes were great. Came back in and turned round, literally I was sat outside for 10 minutes, I'm so annoyed. I normally catch the sun and I was fine, I don't burn. And I came back in and I now have the weirdest tan lines I've ever had. Yeah, I told you it was bad. So I need to go get rid of those after this in the garden and have a whole afternoon of sunbathing, I think, to stop embarrassing myself even further. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know in the comments section down below if you like this kind of video where I follow inspired looks by celebrities, red carpet looks, and let me know which celebrities you'd like me to cover. So that is it from me today. Go and give this video a thumbs up and definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. All the links to my social media and my products that I've used in this video will also be linked down below, so you can go check those out too. That's it from me today, guys. I'll see you next week with another video.